Hello everyone, welcome to Taller Del Hogar. This time we are going to repair a Mabe washing machine, which turns on, but does not fill. Or he doesn't work, he doesn't do anything, the client tells me. But here the solution is solenoid valves. Well, with that said, let's learn how to disassemble, how to test solenoid valves, how to change them, and where you can get those kinds of products. If you like my content, you can like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't already. And well, let's start disassembling this washing machine. What we have to do first, well, is in the back. Close the water taps, disconnect the electric current a little bit while we disassemble, then we are going to have to reconnect it to do some tests. How do you get rid of this? Well, closing your water faucets, we disconnect the two hoses that we have in this part back here and there. In that lid it has hexagonal screws of 1/4, which we have to remove. There are approximately 6 screws, they are quite easy to remove, you are not going to struggle, you can repair this repair. Do it yourself without intervening so much in your washing machine. As you can see, I'm not disassembling it so much. We remove the last screw so that it gives us access to the solenoid valves. The solenoid valves are nothing more than an electromagnet that opens the passage of water and closes it. It does not give force to the entry of water or anything through the style. Just open and close like a switch or a water passage. Here it is. This is the cold water one. To make it a little more didactic, what I did is connect the cold water hose and connect the multimeter to the current inputs here. We should all to fill or mark voltage. The ideal is that it fills and marks voltage to see that it is fine. Here we can see that it is marking voltage. It is marking 124.3 volts, but it is not filling. That means that that coil is in bad condition, it is damaged, the most. Surely it is open. When they are of the Whirlpool brand, the damage is very obvious since you see a vertical stripe. In this case you can't see it. But we are going to test it with the multimeter. These are the coils. You can change the whole part or just change the solenoid valve, but they don't sell it the same, so you have to buy a Whirlpool, make an adaptation, but they work at the same voltage. This can be done because it works at 120 volts. There are some that work at 60 volts, you can't do it there. To remove it, just remove the cap from the top, this little green cap. You can help yourself with a nail, a fork, whatever you have. If you have a tool, then a thin cross screwdriver or Phillips. We disconnect from the electrical current and go to the top. As you can see, it is quite easy. Now we are going to test how it is tested. Well, we are going to check the lumage, which in this case the one on the right is the one that is in bad condition. The only thing that changes of the Whirlpool is that the connections are a little different, but you can file them so that they are to the same size, and here it should give us approximately 8 kilo ohms, so this one is in good condition. The one on the left side, which is the new one, and the one on the side right is the old man. We are going to proceed to change it to try to put it in because it is the same entrance, the same size, the same down. Don't forget to put the green cap because then with the vibrations it can rise and not open the coil as it should be. Sorry, not open the solenoid valve as it should be. Now we put its cap. Don't forget it. Push it down so that it doesn't fall, that you don't lose it because those are more complicated to get, and well, right now we have it completely assembled. We start it and it should start to fill. Here you can put it in cold water, just to check that solenoid valve. You can even turn off the hot water to see that the cold water only works, and well, remember to follow us on our different social networks such as Facebook, YouTube and TikTok, and as you can see, that's it. I hope you liked that repair and see you until next time.